Okay guys, Carter here guys, and this time I have on the bench, this is a Taramp MD 800.1. So this is a 1 ohm version of this amplifier. I get this to bass and also mid-range and stuff like that, you know. Yeah, it does, I think. You see on the panel here it says let me see, you guys can see this, so you guys know exactly which one this is. Yes guys, sorry about that, the background. Yeah, so it says high pass here, low pass here, so you can use it to play mid-range or bass. So yes guys, I was just in the process of taking apart guys and taking it apart, and then I said okay, let me make a video of it, because I wasn't going to, because I don't think I have a video of it. But there's a lot of amplifier guys that I do like this repair, and then I don't know if I have a video of it, and I said, I said, yeah, right, let's not be too selfish, let's just do, So here now, hold on. Sorry about that guys. It's a true word. So let me just, I'm gonna take this plate off right here. Maybe I don't have to, but I think I'm gonna have to, you have to take it off. Sometimes you don't have to, because the reason being guys, look at this. This one came to me guys with, look, no power supply MOSFET. These are regulator right here, and over here you have the output, which is the, oh, this one has in, somebody was working on, so this one they put in the IRFB 4227. So originally these amplifiers I think come with the IRFB 5620. But these can work, I think. Yeah, I definitely think these can work. But I'm gonna still swap them out and put the original one. If I didn't have them, I would surely use those, try those, But I have the original one for this, so I'm just put it in just to let you guys know. So the gate resistance on this guys is a 1 ohms, I think. Yes, it says here. Yeah, 1R00. So this is 1R00. So yes, 1R00, 1R00. And as I said, it didn't come with the power supply MOSFET. And printed on the board, it says it uses the STP 180. Hold on, STP 180N4F6. These guys, you replace these with the 1404. Guys, okay? RF 1404 goes right here. That's what I'm gonna replace it with. We're just the same. Alright, so this is the 1K right there resistor. These are the gate. And then one more here is the gate. And this should be the 1K. So yes guys, so letting you know guys, so here resistor F5 is a 1K ohms resistor. And then you have the resistor 112, which is the 1 ohm resistor. Also resistor 111 is also 1 ohms, and then resistor 106 1 ohms, and that's a gate resistor guys. And also resistor 108, also it's a 1 ohm resistor guys. So yes, just let you know guys know. And then you have this IC which says IC1. In this amplifier it says IC1. Remember amplifier work, and it says, I think it says CL3, and here it says IC1. So IC1 guys, I'm going to replace it, because that is a switching IC for here. I'm not sure who worked on it before, if they replace it, but yes, let me just replace it, for my sake. Oh my word, look at this guys. One side I took off, and look what happened. The thing come right out. So that mean wow, that mean it didn't solder down properly. Oh my words, I'm gonna have to take this off right here guys. It's giving me a little problem. Let's take these off right here, guys. Unscrew these. Yep. Then we have the fan right here, which I'm gonna desolder, guys. I mean, not desolder, unsolder. I don't have to use the desoldering tool for that. So I'm gonna remove the fan off the circuit board right here. That one is a plus. To down here this side, if you want board that's not printed, plus, and negative or minus. Whatever, you know? If you wanna call it so. Positive, negative, guys. Okay. Positive, negative for the fan. So yes. Right now and then, guys. Let me see here. So in this one, guys, I repaired something one like this before. So pin one, two, two is not connected, guys. Three is connected, and four ties in with number one, and then you have number five, good. And on this side, number five is also all of them connected to something. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my solder wick and get on with my repair right here, guys. I'm gonna remove this, guys. So this is gonna be, I think this is gonna be the hardest part of this repair. Yes, guys, I think so. Just letting you guys know. All right. So now, guys, so on this side, you count out like so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You go up here 6, 7, 8, and 9, guys, ties in together right here. 8 and 9. Then you have 10. So 8 and 9 pin ties in together. So yeah, just get that in mind, guys. So yes, it's good to just put them close together. So you know, when you start anything to do, you know, it's really easy to do that. So you know, that's really good. That's gonna be good. You know, if you're doing it like how I'm doing it, just letting you know. But you know, you could use the solder paste and all that stuff, guys. Yeah, but I'm not using the solder paste right now. So and this chip right here, guys, the IC that goes here is LM 5030 mm. So on this here, guys, I don't have mm on it, but it's the LM 5030 mm, which is also, you know, guys, you know, what's your 5030? That's the same one, guys. It's a little tiny 10 pin IC, 5 on one side, 5 on the other side. Yep. And this work for various type of amplifier, guys. You see that? That's how it looks, guys, in the package. And this work for some even the DS. This work for the DS. Yeah, I think I have a video post like that. The DS 800 by what? 2? Yes, by 2. So yes, guys, it's a little tiny IC looking like that, guys. Yeah, 5 pin on one side, 5 on the other. But pin 2, I'm gonna break it off, guys, from here. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it because I started I need more space, so I'm going to just break it off. Just got that pin 2. I'm going to get rid of it, so yeah. Pin 2 is off, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And as I said, pin 4 ties in with pin 1, so I'm gonna lift it up. So I have more space to sort out what I'm doing, but I know a lot of people gonna say, oh come on, just use the solder paste. Don't worry. I know what I'm doing. This is my way. All right. So on this side now, guys, I told you is that pin 7, 8, and 9 ties in together. So what I normally do here, normally get a little knife here, put between here, and I put a little split between these pins. Alright, so 8 and 9. Right, guys, so 8 and 9, I already tied them together. So what I'm going to do is tinning these right here, tinning them, guys. You call it tinning. Prep, you could call it prep also. You're prepping the IC, okay, guys? Ooh, that's hot. That's really hot, man. Alright, so I prep it to 8 and 9 tie right there, guys. Right there. Right there, so. Alright. Jeez. Come on. I'm getting troublesome stuff. Alright, let me get my little guys. Yeah, I have one of these guys. Use it from time to time. But yeah, let me use this on this one so I don't, crap. I almost lost the IC, guys, just to let you know. Holy crap. I blow this thing away just now, guys. The IC, come on. Funny thing, guys, I try to flip these little things. Right. So let me see now. If I can get this, guys. Let me tune in this a little. Some solder. The temperature is too high. Alright, so I got to put this up a little. Let's see if I can see what's going on. Well, not fully, but Alright, so hold on, let me put this in place, guys, properly. This guy just making sure everything is lining up. It looks good right now where it's at, but let's see. turn it around. Right, get that one. Hmm. Right, this is the part, guys. You just check the pins. You could know which one is solder from that, but yeah. For the end one, I'm gonna put some solder on the end ones. So yeah. That one is not accurate, guys, as much as this one, guys. Believe me. I don't know why. This new thing I have here, guys. Oh yeah, you see, I use it a lot. It's crazy. Let me use this with one hit first, guys, because my eyes is doing really better than this. All right. So now, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna get a little piece of wire, a piece of copper wire like this, and I'm gonna tie in the. As I said, guys, why I'm doing this way is because I'm not using the solder paste and stuff like that because I have issue with it a lot of time. But so for now, I'm going to just do it my way. Which a lot of people gonna have problem with, but that's just my way. All right. Solder that. Dum, 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 dum. And I come right here now, guys. As I said, I did bend that thing up, one of the pin upwards. So I could solder this to it. Ah, got it. So, and that's that. So yep. Over here now, let me make sure no solder is on this pin, guys. If you ever want to solder, do it the way I'm doing it. Oh my goodness. Let me see something here. If that happen, I think pin get locked together. So nothing looks wrong here, everything looks okay. This gonna look too close. Mm. Yeah, one and two kind of look like they're locked together. Hold on, guys. So let me check. So here you could use the solder wick, guys, and you put right across the pins. You get up the excess solder. If something happens, you will know exactly where the solder wick. So let's check again. Hmm. Looks weird to me. Let's go again. Start a week. What is it? All right, everything look good, nice and curry right here, guys. So yeah, looks good. So I'm gonna wash the board though, guys. I'm going to wash it a little. Guys, when I made these videos, just like I could have done it another way. I have another solder that it's called the liquid solder, guys, and believe me, that thing is amazing. I could have used it, but I chose not to. I want to make videos like this, guys. A lot of people keep saying oscilloscope, guys. The reason why I'm doing this, and not everybody can afford one and stuff like that. So, and everybody seems to use it. So for now, I said, all right, I don't do this full time. And guys, to hook up oscilloscope here, yes, that would be wonderful. I know, but still, if I have the phone and I'm using a scope, it's gonna be really difficult for me to communicate with guys. I do have a scope, guys, that I use, not on video, but I do my stuff, trying to get a hang of it and everything. Yeah, but why I do this video is because I still want to do my repair without one and keep my brain working and puzzling stuff out, guys, you know. But I know it would be wonderful to have an oscilloscope. Yes, it is. And I do have one, guys. Just letting you guys know. I do have a scope. So 10 right there, yeah. So guys, on this one, resistor 36 is at 10 ohms, just to let you know, in case you run into one. Because sometimes when this IC go bad, this LM5033 mm goes bad, it always take this resistor right here. Sometime down here, let me see what we have down here. So that's the only low ohm resistor right here, guys, which is the resistor 36, yeah. So now all the gate resistors here are good, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install 1404, guys. I'm going to install 1404, 4 of them. So let me check these and also 2 IRFB 5620. All right, let me just remove these, guys. Let me just remove these. Alright, guys. So just give me a minute, guys. I want to stop the video. I don't want it too long. Because oh yeah, I'm at 24 already. Yeah, so hold on. So let's remove these, and then I'm going to just pause the video, guys, just to let you know. I'm going to pause the video and then I'm get these parts together and then I'll get back with you guys. Alright? Please stay tuned. And Cardi, guys, will be right back. Alright? Back again, guys, and this time, as you can see right here, haha. I have here the power supply MOSFET, open MOSFET. So let's go ahead with the power supply MOSFET, guys. Do a little where I thought I do them like this. I need to make a little ump when I'm doing them, like, yeah. Never put these flat to the circuit, guys. Never, never, never do that. Let's make a little hump with them, guys. Whenever you put them in them, whenever installing these, guys, yeah. All right, this come up a little bit more. That way, nobody's a lot of these amplifiers they don't cut the pins, so and I understand why, but some, yeah, they do. All right, this now, make sure everything lines up here. Which one is the tallest here? This one come. I do this. Right, made a little hump as I said. Yep, that's about it right there. So we could get something to this a little thing to raise it up a bit so that doesn't touch the circuit board, the bench. Yeah, you don't want them to touch the bench because the pin might go back out and that will throw you off. Let me just solder all the pins at the top. Solder from the top. Guys, it's best if you could solder from top and bottom because it's not a lot of case. These broke off in the middle. Sometimes connection behind is not as it should be. So I solder from top and bottom all the time. Some people will agree, some people might not. I don't know. But that's the best way of doing it, guys. And these are the IRF 1404. Right, so that's good right there, guys. So the power supply MOSFETs, you guys can see, yep, they're in, yep, soldered in, yep. So I'm going to do the power supply now. With these are the IRFB 5620. Alright, so one of these pinhole is not clean enough, so I'm not sure. See, like it's the middle one. I'm going to find out, like, no, okay, no. Alright, so yeah, I don't think I have to put it down any further. Just make a little hump on it. Alright. Alright, now, yep, make a little hump. Uh-oh, come on. Yep, perfectly fine. We just started from the top and then the bottom. Oh, come on, this piece of thing come off. Alright, alright. So we're gonna start from the top again. All 3 pins. piece come off it. Alright guys, give me a minute here guys, you know I'm always busy, so hold on, give me a minute. Alright guys, alright. Install all these power supply MOSFET, the two output MOSFET. Everything seems to be checked out guys. Let me just give it a test guys. If you know, just I wanna see if it pours on, which it should. A lot of people gonna say, oh, if you did have a scope, this whatever. Come on. Listen guys, the reason why I do this guys, I know what I'm doing. So you know, some people might think I don't know because I already told people where I'm from guys. I didn't have a scope, didn't have that luxury. So most of my repair that I do guys is from like what I learned over the years. And the funny thing, these are amplifier guys are like recently built amplifier, and you it's the same logics apply to it like from back in the days. Are certain little things you have to adjust yourself to. Yes, I understand, but otherwise I know my stuff, and certain stuff with these things guys is just common sense. Or you just have to know electronics to a level where you can just you know do these things without a scope and stuff like that. Yes, when you do know it like certain way guys, yes, which I'm gonna teach you guys a lot of stuff. I told you before guys, yes, I'm gonna teach you guys a lot of stuff that I do my thing, and some people still don't like it because they think you have to use a scope to repair something. Well, let me be the bearer of bad news to you guys with that part. Nope, you don't have to. All right. My strategy, guys, most of the time is testing the parts, testing the components, and stuff like that. I really, guys, I would say I don't master it, but I know enough to let me to go along. Yeah, where I can test components and know what is what and what is not inside the circuit and outside the circuit, guys. Yes, I kind of know. So that's kind of a little advantage that I have over a lot of people who do this stuff. They don't know chances are read inside and outside the circuit. Yeah, I kind of can know which one is circuit reading or what's not the circuit reading. So yeah, so just let you know guys know. Yeah, so if I'm this man using a scope, guys, yeah, that's one of the reason. Not that I don't, I have a scope. Just let you know guys know. Trying to get a hang of it. Alright guys, let's try to get this up and running. Let's see if I get a blue light. Guys, our clip light right there, guys. So this is an orange light. I don't know. So see I pour it up, guys. To this side is the negative, and to the speaker terminal is the positive, and the middle one, you know, is the remote. So I'm gonna give it a little pour up real quick. Alright, I got a blue light. I think alright, turn it off. And this is what the time to check these guys. It is good. That's not bad. Nothing is overeating or anything like that. So hold on guys, let me, so this would go up. Let me see, I'm not sure this goes. Let me see, this goes like this. So this would be max. Oh, it was maxed out. So I pin there maxed out. Turn these down. Hold on, this is what high pass, low pass. So this should be up there. This should be maybe down here. These two turn right down. Alright, so I'm gonna give it a little harder test, guys. Let's see. Alright, this one doesn't have a terminal for a screw or the speaker. I hate when it doesn't do that. You know, somebody remove them, guys. I don't know. Because I told before, guys, somebody was working on this amplifier. So let's just see. Let's just see if me. Holy crap. These are coming apart. Let's see. Alright guys, so alright, so let me I don't know, not like that. trying to position this a little way that. Alright, so it. Can I use the bass or mid range or whatever? Let's do the mid range, guys. I work on one like this. I'm not sure when. I don't know if I have a video of it, guys. If I make 2 videos, that would be funny. But I don't remember making a video for it. But let's. Oh, maybe I make an explain video. Wow. But don't worry, guys. Right, let's see now what is what. If I get audio, if I don't get audio. So I'm going to do a frequency test, guys. So let me go it on. Oh wow, it's playing. Alright. Stop. Ooh. It works, guys. It works. Oh, these MOSFETs are really cool. Wow. Power supply. Oh, wow. These are not even, man, these are not under any pressure. These, wow. So, guys, it's up and running. Alright, let me remove the speaker. So now, so just let you guys know, yep, it's working, guys. So, yep. And this, guys, you know, this one is the MD, guys, right here. This is the, as you guys can see, Taramps MD 800.1, 1 ohm version, guys, and it's playing, up and running. So that's it, guys. So that's letting you know. Replace the 4 power supply MOSFET and also the IC1, which is the LM5033mm, and then I replaced the 2 output MOSFET, which is the IRFB5620, and they did have something there, other one there before that, not these, but it would work. I think yes, definitely would work. But I put the original ones that's supposed to be there, and it's up and running, guys. So any question, guys, please let me know, you know, with this amplifier. But you know, everything is good and okay with this amplifier for now. Just you know, that's it. And here you have some regulator right here, some voltage regulator. Yes, guys. So you know, these are the LM over here. This is the LM7812CT, and this one is the LM7812CT also. Yes, so you have 2 of the same one there, guys. So yes. So just let you know, guys, know. And these are the 1404s. Yes, guys. And that's it, guys. So please like, subscribe if you like what to see, guys. And Cardi, guys, will be out for now. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please help me to get 2,000 subscribers, guys. Please, guys. I do this like for you guys and also for myself. So please, I would appreciate if you guys just, you know, subscribe to my channel, a thumbs up or everything, watch my videos, everything, you know. But I really respect you guys and thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, guys. Alright, enough respect. Okay, guys. And Cardi, guys, out for now. Alright, enough respect.